And good morning, folks. This is Bob with Kingdom Horse Trailers in Henderson, North Carolina, just north of Raleigh, Durham in beautiful Vance County. What we're looking at here is a new 2024 Shadow 16-foot stock trailer. This is the gooseneck version. Also have it in a bumper pull. Same features on the stock area. It's gonna be a 16-foot box with an 8-foot cut gate, making two 8-foot box stalls for your livestock. You can see this is an aluminum unit with extruded siding. It does have the stainless on the corners of the neck of the trailer. This is an open slat design. Great here in the south for getting ventilation for your animals, but also each one of those is pre-railed so that you can slide plexi inserts into those slots, covering up the siding should you want to. Here's our external release to open that cut gate, which we'll show you in a moment. Again, beautiful full-length extruded siding on this one. Running lights, all LED lighting package, rear load light with switch right there by the door. Looking straight back. So again, this is going to be 16 feet long on the box. It is 6'4" wide by 7 feet tall. It's running dual spring leaf axles, 5,200 pounds. It's only 2,600 pounds empty. This is very lightweight, so you don't need that super duty to haul it unless you're hauling a ton of stuff. Let's take a peek inside. We do have the wood flooring coming with this free rubber package, so rubber from front to end is included as well. You got interior LED lighting. Here is our cut gate. There's our handle right here. It's gonna slide this open. It's got a spot where it will clasp into right there, giving you that full 16-foot box length should you want it. Moving up into the front box, our gooseneck area does have the fold down so that you can keep any tack or other items safe from your animals up front when you're traveling. If it's empty, a lot of folks will turn this into a little weekend or maybe throw themselves a king-size mattress up there. All aluminum construction, single piece aluminum roof, LED light here as well. Just a lightweight yet well-built Shadow 16-foot livestock trailer. Coming outside of what would be considered almost a tack door, but human exit and entrance on the passenger side. Close this. Again, extruded aluminum. That's going to cut down on your scratches and keep that nice white clear coated aluminum looking good. Again, get a little bling up on the nose there. That stainless gooseneck, matching spare tire up front for you, manual jack. This is meant to be an affordable, great aluminum stock trailer for you. So folks, check this one out at Kingdom Horse Trailers, Henderson, North Carolina 27537. You can check us on the web at www.nchorsetrailers.com, and my number 919-930-6127. I hope you'll ask for Bob. I hope we can get you on the road soon.